y'all, Tahita reporting from the Krusty Cam. But happy day 3 of Vlogmas. I'm running errands right now, and I'm then I'm gonna go back home and work. I'm looking crazy. I am not getting out the car. So I just threw on a hoodie. I was actually running a little bit late. I told her to be ready by 10:15, and at 10:15 I was putting my clothes on. So, but I have just been so overwhelmed at work. Like, I've been so, I don't know, it's just giving me so much anxiety. Just too many changes happening. I am a creature of habit, and I am a creature of routine, so I don't necessarily like when things change. I don't like it. So yeah, with all of the changes that are going on and people just moving to different departments and leaving the company on a whole, I'm just like, what is going on? But anyways, I'm going to check in with you guys when I get back home. Hey guys, so I'm actually I'm bright as hell, but we gonna work with it. And I feel like I look like an alien. Just work with me, okay? Just work with me. But I am in my room. I'm actually not feeling my best. The Vlogmas day 2 should be live. It's just that I have a copyright strike that I tried to edit out, and I'm not sure if the editing process is done because I want to get my coins, okay? That's one. 2, I don't feel good, y'all. I don't feel good. Aunt Flo is in town, and she just back with a vengeance. Like, dog, chill. Can you know, like, be cool. So right now I'm just in bed with a heating pad. I have my work laptop in front of me, so I'm doing some work as well. I also just put in some leftover flatbread that I have from the other night that I'm going to pop in the oven, because I haven't eaten all day. It's 1:13 and I have not eaten. I just took my vitamins, so but yeah, probably need to get some water as well. My lips are looking a little dry, so but yeah, that is what we have going on. I thought I would just check in when I do go out and get my groceries and start cooking the food for tonight. Then I'll probably pick you guys back up. But right now, literally, this is all I'm doing, working and hoping that these cramps go to hell, because they are, like I said, I was down for the count just now for like the last 45 minutes. I just had to lay here with a heating pad. But yeah, that's all that I got going on. I have a lot that I wanted to do, because remember, if you guys watched yesterday's vlog, I made the fruit punch caviar, and I may have talked about how I want to switch it up a bit. Or did I share that on Instagram? I may have shared it on my personal Instagram. I honestly cannot remember. But I did talk about how I wanted to do a deconstructed rum punch and have rum caviar, and then have like a lighter rum punch on the side. So you can just sip the rum punch and be cool with that, but you can also have like a spoonful of the rum caviar. So, but yeah, that's all that I got going on, y'all. I will check in with you guys a little bit later. All right, hey guys, so today has been trash. I just have not been feeling well. The fact that Apple knows that I'm going to Target right now, I don't know if that's a good thing. I know right before we got this property, I lived closer to Trader Joe's, right? I live like literally 5 minutes away from Trader Joe's, and I would leave work on a Friday and they would know that I would go there for wine. Like, my phone would say, it's gonna be 20 minutes until you get to Trader Joe's. And I think that is just so bizarre. Like, the fact that you have tracked my activity enough to know that me getting in the car at this time of day more than likely is me going to Target, that's a little ridiculous. But anyways, today has just been trash. I have not been feeling good at all. literally have been in the bed most of the afternoon. This morning I did do a quick run because I promised my mother-in-law I would drive her to get something notarized. But outside of that, y'all, today has been trash. I'm sorry, I'm moving, Lola. I have the intention of going upstairs, or I'm going to Target to do the pickup so that I can get these groceries and I can come back and I'm just thinking all types of stuff right now. Hold on, chica. Hello? Hello? Hold on, this thing that well, maybe because I have it turned down. Sorry, gal. Go ahead. Alright, guys, don't ask me why I'm stirring with a spatula, okay? Don't ask. But I just got done blending the tomatoes. I had some Italian sofrito on, I fried that up in some oil and then added the tomatoes, let those fry for a minute, and then I started blanching them with a little bit of broth. So this is what we're left with. Now I'm going to add some, I think I have heavy whip, but just some cream. Oh, I also added like a tablespoon of sugar just to help with the acidity. So let's add the cream. Added the cream, so just going to stir this up. And I might blend it again. We'll see. Hey guys, so that soup and that grilled cheese was bomb. And I'm not just saying that because I made it, but it was really, really good. Right now I'm about to, well, I'm cleaning up a bit. I have the dishwasher on. I have a few items that I have to hand wash. And then I'm going to take out the hubby's food because he has not eaten as yet. I ended up doing what I did last month or 3 weeks ago, which was I ordered same-day delivery for the Nespresso pods. There's one in the mall that's about 15 minutes, well, 10 minutes away from us. So it's pretty simple and easy to get. This time I went out on a limb and I ended up getting this raspberry coffee. Then I got this one, which is Vivida, rich in vitamin B12. Ooh, awesome. I didn't realize that that is what I got. And then last but not least, some Costa Rican coffee. So okay guys, so I tidied up a little bit. Everything's not done, honestly. If I'm being real, there's still dishes in the sink. I'm gonna get it before I go to sleep though. I did wipe down the stove. Now I'm about to give Lola her Advent treat. And I'm gonna get mine as well. Let's see how big this one is. If y'all watched my vlog yesterday, you know that the treat that I got was like super tiny. So we'll see what we get today. First, we're gonna go ahead and open up Lola's. So let's find day 2. So this is day 2. Oh, she got 2 treats in this one. Yeah, look. So in this one, she got 2 treats. So let me open it up for her. You can get it. It's your treat. Get it, mamas. Now I'm going to show you guys her tricks for the next one. Hey, can you sit? Good girl. Can you lie down? Good girl. How about ballerina? Do ballerina. This one she needs a little help with. A little enticement. Ballerina one more time. Good girl. Alright, let's see what they gave me this time, y'all. So if Lola got double the treats this time, maybe I get something good. Let's find day number 2, which is top left corner. It's about the same size. Let me pop this out. Again, if you didn't watch yesterday's vlog, this was only $1. So I would, you know, as soon as I saw it, I was like, Trader Joe's, count your days. But then I was like, girl, you only paid $1 for this whole thing. So I don't know what I was expecting, but I didn't expect it to be this small. Like, this is the size of maybe a nickel, or maybe a quarter. I'll give it a quarter. But yeah, it's tiny. She's looking like, where's mine at? You already got 2, mama. Just for comparison, the dog advent calendar was about $7.99 or $6.99. Like I said, mine was $1, so I ain't tripping. Hey guys, so I am back in bed with the heating pad. I'm just not feeling myself. So all the ambition that I had to do my deconstructed rum punch tonight gone out the window. But I am hoping that tomorrow I feel a lot better. That way I can give you guys some content. I also have some self-care that I want to do tomorrow as well. So really hoping that I feel better so I could do what I need to do. But yeah, I am gonna go ahead and cue a montage of my Christmas decorations. So the original plan for day 3 was actually to share me decorating and stuff. I kind of filmed over a few days when I was decorating, but it's just not aesthetically pleasing for me, at least. So I decided that I will just go ahead and vlog as much as I could today. That didn't work out, but I did vlog as much as I could. And now I'm just going to show you guys the finished product of my Christmas decor. I think the only thing you guys aren't really seeing is just the switch between the fall pillows that we had in the the den area. And then yeah, I switched it out from the fall pillows and throw to the Christmas pillows and throw. And I probably need to get some new Christmas pillows. I might do that tomorrow, actually. But yeah, so let's cue the montage. I just wanted to kind of sign out for the night. Like I said, I'm literally in, you guys, it looks like I'm freaking pregnant, but this is, it's a whole heating pad under here. So that is what I got going on, guys. I'm not feeling my best. So gave you what I could. Check out my Christmas decor, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Please do me the biggest favor and hit that subscribe button. I am trying my best to get to 3,500 by the end of the year. We have less than a month. I'm hoping I can make it, but the closer I get, the happier I will be. So if y'all could do me that favor and just hit that subscribe button so that I can try to hit my goal before the year's end, I would definitely appreciate it. So thank you so much in advance. And then, yeah, I will check you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I'm feeling better, like I said, and we could get into some more stuff. But yeah, stay tuned for the Christmas decor.